Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can check model of this device. So we got basically three methods. The first one and the most fastest, you have to open the settings. We will start from other screen. Let me do this one more time. So we will start right here. We have to open the Bluetooth settings, open also the case of your AirPods 3 and then tap on the information icon when you are connected. Next you have to scroll to the bottom and here you will find the model number of your AirPods. In this case AirPods 3. We get also another method, just grab the box and on the box we'll find this information. Let me just catch focus. Okay, the model number we'll find in this place. And there's the last method. You have to just remove both AirPods from the case. Next we have to zoom in a little bit and take a look. The model we'll find in this place. It's right here, A2566. I hope that you can see it right now. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.